Welcome to Always Dolls. This is Sarah, and I wish you all a fabulous new year. Today, we are inspired to craft miniature skincare products for our American Girl dolls. Create an entire skincare range of lotions, creams, serums, and scrubs from simple crafting materials. The option to customize containers, bottles, and jars are endless. If you enjoy this video, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel to help us get to 5K. So let's get making! For this craft, we used a recycled cardboard tube and paper straws in different thicknesses. You also need white computer paper, glue stick, and liquid glue. Our cardboard tube has a diameter of 2 centimeters, which will make a good size for a doll lotion bottle. The bottle is made in 3 parts. Cut the tube to 4.5 centimeters, a jumbo straw to 5 centimeters, and a regular straw to 6 centimeters. Take the jumbo straw and wrap it with strips of computer paper 4.5 centimeters wide to increase its thickness. This way, it will fit snugly inside the cardboard tube. We wrapped our regular straw with paper that was 5.5 centimeters wide so it would fit inside our jumbo straw, giving the neck of the bottle dimension. Using the hot glue technique, seal the tube at the bottom and the straw at the top of the bottle. Then peel away the excess hardened glue. Next, press firmly down on the bottle to change it from a round to oval shape. Using a small circle punch, make holes close together. We want the negative space. Cut through the center of your circles lengthwise to get this piece. Cut apart to get the peak section. Then stack and glue 3 paperboard pieces together. Cut the sides on an angle and you have a shape similar to the pump head on a lotion bottle. Glue this piece to the neck of the bottle. For even more detail, we cut a thin strip of corrugated cardstock and glued it around the neck to imitate a screw cap. Now we can paint our lotion bottle. You can choose any colours you like, but we are going to use a pastel theme for our skincare range. The moisturiser bottle will be light blue with a white neck. Then painted the screw cap in a contrasting teal. Seal the paint job with a coat of matte Mod Podge. To decorate the bottle, we are using stickers. These particular botanical sets share the same pastel theme and have gold accented images. We selected the gold and pink leaf stickers for a simple yet elegant design. Here is the completed lotion bottle held in an AG doll hand. Using a similar technique, we can make a slimmer cleansing bottle from a regular straw. Cut the straw into a 4.5 centimeter piece. Then layer with strips of computer paper in descending widths to create dimension. As before, seal the top and bottom of the bottle with hot glue. Then adhere the nozzle piece. Okay, so let's go further and make a complimentary bottle of toner or hydrating serum. For this shape, start by wrapping 2 strips of computer paper around a large straw. Gently pinch the tube to make it oval, then seal the top and bottom with hot glue. For the nozzle, wrap a thin strip of paper 1 centimeter down from a regular straw. Angle cut the tip, then seal the top with hot glue. Cut the nozzle off the remainder of the straw. Now we have both parts of the bottle. You can paint it any colour you like. When the paint has dried, affix the nozzle to the centre top of the tube. Again, we've used stickers from our botanical collection to decorate the bottles. Make additional cleanser and toner sets and you can switch up the colours. The lavender variety is for extra sensitive doll skin. To apply the product, make easy facial pads from scraps of felt and our leftover circle cutouts. Simply glue the paperboard discs to the felt, then cut around the paperboard circle. Make a bunch and store them in a clear mini jar for the dolls to use. For our next idea, we will use a small glue stick cap for a jar of facial cream. Cut down the cap to 1.5 centimeters tall, then wrap with a thin strip of computer paper, ensuring you leave a small ring of the cap at the top of the computer paper. This time we decorated the jar with a strip of specialty cardstock. Make a lid by layering 2 paperboard punched circles, with a thin paper ring glued underneath. The ring should slip onto the rim, holding your jar together. You can go further and fill the jar with product. First, scrunch up a small ball of aluminium foil and push it into the container as filler. Fill the rest of the container with hot glue. Wait till the glue has cooled, then use the hot nozzle of the gun to sculpt swirls into the jar. Paint over the hardened glue in light cream, and your jar of facial cream is complete. A good skincare range needs sunscreen. To make this, cut a 5 centimeter piece of jumbo straw. Roll it in a strip of computer paper to be slightly thicker, then pinch one end closed. Next, we made an inner tube using the thinner regular straw. Cut a short length, then roll it in a thin strip of computer paper, leaving 0.5 centimeter of straw hanging out. Push the inner tube into the opening of the larger tube. While crafting, we noticed our white straw fits snugly into the black straw, and we're going to take advantage of this to make a cap. We make the black straw thicker with a 0.5 centimeter strip of computer paper, so the black straw now fits inside our jumbo straw. Cut off the ends of both straws so you get a perfectly fitting cap that's 0.5 centimeter tall. You can now connect the cap to the opening of the sunscreen bottle. Paint and decorate the tube as desired, then add your sunscreen to your doll's growing skincare collection. To make a tiny tube of lip scrub, we are going to use a cake pop stick. Cut a 2 centimeter length piece, then adhere it to a 2 centimeter wide strip of paper with half the cake pop stick hanging off. Roll the paper up tightly, then pinch the other end closed. This craft is super quick and simple, and are so cute and adorable, a perfect addition to the dollhouse. With the remaining cake pop stick, we can make the nozzle for a can of body spray by layering strips of computer paper 0.5 centimeter below the tip. Glue the nozzle into a jumbo straw as seen on screen. Then glue the jumbo straw into a slightly bigger boba straw. Then seal the bottom of the can with hot glue. Make a dot with a black fine tip marker. As before, paint and decorate the can however you'd like. The cap is made from a piece of larger boba straw glued to cardstock. Cut off the excess paper and your can and cap are complete. We hope you've enjoyed our DIY ideas for American Girl skincare products. Thanks so much for joining me today, and see you soon for more miniature crafting fun.